What's up, everybody? I got an announcement to make for you, and it's not the mustache. It is something bigger than that. I am rebranding the channel. I'm going from This Better Home to a new name, a new banner, a new logo, all out. I'm gonna call it DIY Bandit. When I come home from work or the weekends, things are constantly breaking. I am always on the lookout for some sneaky DIY, and I turn to this Bandit. This is DIY Bandit, the YouTube channel where I do lots of sneaky home projects around the house and rogue product reviews, saving you time and money. I even got this cool mask. I know it's hard not to look at the mustache, look at the mask. I'm gonna take this off. This is quite uncomfortable. When I originally started this channel, I started under DIY Bandit, and then I was like, no, that's like too confining to just DIY projects. And so I changed it to This Better Home. As you may know, This Better Home has grown quite a bit and seen a lot of success, but the name itself and kind of the imaging that I was thinking is a little too corporate or generic, right? And so I wanted something with a little more personality. I've been thinking about this for a while, and I was like, wait a minute, why don't I just go back to my original name, DIY Bandit? That makes a lot of sense. I think viewers are gonna really respond to that. It's different, right? It's kind of catchy and cool. And so that's kind of the reasoning behind it. For the next several months or so, you might see as I transition the branding from This Better Home to DIY Bandit, you might see some different intros and to each video, and you might see some evidence or remnants of my old brand as I try to switch things over. So I appreciate your patience, and I think it's going to be worth it. Definitely leave a comment down below if you think you like the old one better, or if you support the change. Tell me what you think. I'm really curious, but this is kind of what I was thinking, and I hope you guys like the new brand. It's kind of cool. It's got some new music. It's got a totally new image and feel to it. Hopefully that helps the channel grow a little bit more. So as always, thank you for your viewerships. I'm going to be referring to you all as bandits from here on out, or try to. You are a DIY bandit too. Stay sneaky.
Are you okay? Here. Help me up.
All right, do it again.
You ready?
No, not so hard.
Okay, not so hard. Ready? Come and get me. Come and get me. Look, come over here.